What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of the Bossman Brands YouTube channel. And I'm Stephen Condon. I'm the founder of Bossman Brands. And today I have a very special video for you. I'm going to attempt to show you guys how I trim my own beard. I don't go to barbers much. I'm an artist, so I like to kind of mess with my own beard and have my own shape. But you know, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do it. I don't recommend you guys do it. I recommend you go to the barber. The way I do it is not normal, and I don't recommend you trying it. But hey, if it works for you, that'd be awesome. I'm here to teach you guys, so let's see how this goes. I got my trusty little mirror down here, so if I'm not looking at you, I'm looking down at the mirror, making sure I'm not chopping everything off right in front of your very eyes. So let's get things started and let's try this out. All right, let's get going here. All right, first thing, I like to keep a brush, my Bossman brush around, just to kind of keep things flat so you know where you're cutting even and all that good stuff. I love this little Remington here. I don't know the name of it, but it's a great clipper. I've had it for a long time and highly recommend it. All right, so I like to start with the top down. So how I do that, sorry, I'm going to be looking down here, remember. I like to pull this out just like this. See how this gets a little bit long? I'm going to cut I want to go about an inch off the bottom is what I'm ultimately going for, but I like to start at the top and go down. So check this out. I hope you can see this, but so just like this. Don't go all the way down, but you know, cut a good amount off right there. Get as close as you want. Go up here. I don't use guards, so be careful if you're actually going to try my style. So check that out. See how nice and clean that is? Brush that down, just like that. So now, go to the other side, brush it out. And I like to use product, and I like to use product early in the day, and I like to do this at the end of the day because for some reason my beard is just very controlling after having product in it all day. So you're allowed to do things like this, like pull it out to the side, and see how it sticks out just like that. Sorry. And once again, come down. Get some of that off there. As close as you can. Just like that. And brush that down. So see how nice and clean that is going down? So that's the first step. Get the top going first. All right, now the sketchy part. All right, what I like to do is keep my beard down right there, and you know I'm going to keep my jawline going just the way it kind of is right here, but I'm going to bring it up about a good inch. So see that line? I'm going to keep it going just like that. Oh, here we go. Nice long strokes, just like that. Don't be afraid to get the flyaways, just like that. You'll see them coming out. Just go a little at a time. Don't do it all at once. Catch it from every angle like this. I like hitting this angle too. Cut your face in half. Do the side first. And make sure you get one side good first. You'll basically have half of your face done when you're done here with one side. Alright, I sped it up a little bit there, but once you start getting short, you see how I got the same jawline here, but once you start getting short, you can start getting under your neck. Get that nice and close. See how I'm doing half my face? This side's so much shorter. Look at that than that. So we took a good inch off right there. So you'll start keeping, you know, start making this round shape or whatever shape you want. Clean up all the little excess hairs. Just like that. And that side is getting pretty good. So let's move to the other side. All right, I'm not left-handed, so this side gets a little bit tricky. Let's make sure everything's out here again. Looking good. Side's looking good. All right. So let's make the cut. Go along with your jaw again. Like that. And I'm going to speed it up for you guys so you don't have to watch this forever. Alright, both sides are pretty much even and done. I'm going to touch things up a little bit and I'll show you the last final product. Looking pretty good though, huh? Alright, last thing is brush all the way down to your neck. You'll see how there's some long ones that go under your neck. Clean all those up under here. Keep brushing because they'll hide. Keep brushing. That's what's good about the brush. Keep brushing over and over and you'll catch the little flyaways, and then it just gets more and more even throughout the whole thing. But man, we're pretty darn perfect. What do you think, guys? All right, well, I don't know if I've taught you anything, but I showed you how I trim my beard. So we took a good 1.5 inches off. So there it is. I'm a hot mess now. I got to go ahead and clean myself up. But man, thanks for watching me chop my beard up. But tune in for the next video. And thanks, guys, for coming to see the crazy beard chop. Peace.